Welcome back to episode 2 of this wet and cold summer fly fishing trip in Mongolia. So here I found this lovely stretch of the river, and there's a log running right across the river at one point, which I'll show to you guys later. So a lot of fish was rising just around the log area, because obviously they were all hiding under and just behind the log, waiting for food to drift past. I'm using my 3-weight setup here, and I have a nice Amo trout at the end of the line. So the fly I'm using is a cling hammer. So this light setup is making everything a lot more fun, especially on faster flowing water like tippet and all.
Oh, nice Amo. Check this out. Nice Amo.
I urged Otto to come over and cast to the same spot, and Otto quickly landed a nice Amo trout. His first Amo for the trip.
Yes, first double hookup of the day.
More like first double hookup of the trip, is it?
It is an Amo. Wonderful.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Oi. Potential.
Very swim. Oh, beautiful, man. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful fish.
Keep calm.
It was Ben's turn to try to nail a fish from this spot. If you look carefully, you can actually see the log across the river.
Yeah.
It's under the surface quite clearly. But by now the fish are spooked, and we have to leave them and hopefully come back later. Our search for fish continued. Later in the afternoon, at this stretch of river, I spotted a nice fish.
What's the line?
Really close to the bank on the opposite side of where we were. I got Ben to make a cast to it, and after a short drift, the fish ate the fly. So it was a nice fish and a nice catch by Ben.
Nice fish. Oh, it's quite big. Release tension. Let the current bring the fish in.
Good.
Nice size.
That was a lot more than anything else. Can you see the tail?
Nope. Nice fish. Good one.
Good.
This was a still water pool that we were fishing in. It was extremely quiet though. And after a while we decided to move to another river. And here's Otto with a nice fish.
Are you sure it's small?
I hope you guys like how I'm including the timestamp at the
Fighting hard though.
lower left part of the screen as we move to different parts throughout the day, so you get a picture of how the day progress over time. The fishing remains on the challenging side.
Do you see it rise or what?
No.
But the important thing is we are still catching fish and everybody is enjoying themselves out there.
I said, do you know how to make French toast? And she said, yes.
It's the end of the day, and we are back at our camp for a nice dinner. Tomorrow is another day to look forward to. Well, good morning everyone. It's another day. Fishing in rivers, the weather plays a really big role of how our day may turn out. One of the biggest effects is whenever it rains, generally a lot of the fish will go off the bite. Rivers will swell up and will flow a lot faster. The water level is much higher than what it may be, and the water will be cloudy or murky. This will make it a bit more difficult for fish to see their food, and generally a lot of them will go off the bite. Just look at this. I mean, if I'm the fish, I'll probably be not very happy, with all these things floating around, can hardly see far. I'll just probably find a place, stay near the bottom and wait it out. But sometimes the trick could be to find something that would trigger a reaction. And in this particular trip, I found that using mouse flies worked really well. Maybe because there's a few more mouse swimming around, moving about, because their burrows are flooded due to the rain. And then when they enter the river and then they swim on the surface, they make a lot more commotion, and this may attract the attention of fish nearby. Although the mousefly that I was casting was not very big, but using this 3-bait setup made it slightly more challenging. But when the fish hit the mousefly on the surface and then
nice fish.
having to bring a fish like this Trout in on this 3-bait setup is just so much fun.
It's a nice ammo. Yeah. Took it viciously.
So you got him on
Mouse.
a mouse.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, surface.
Beautiful. More. Nice.
Got to take a picture of this mouse because this is a fly that a friend asked me to test out.
The rest of the day was fairly uneventful. And then we found this stretch of river just full of this. Do you know what are these? These are actually juvenile graylings. Those fish with their spectacular colors and large dorsal fin always reminds me of the sailfish. But these are just juveniles. If you enjoyed watching this video, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button for more. I want to leave you guys with some scenes from the next episode. Find out if things are finally changing for us.
Freaking
Are
cold.
things getting brighter? So stay tuned. Catch you guys later.
You want to pet it?